Meanwhile, Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee President Meghachandra has slammed the BJP double-engine government for failing to take care of governance in Manipur and instead using president's rule as a political tool. The Congress leader was speaking on the sideline of a free medical camp which was organized by MPCC Dr. Cell at United Friends Library and Club Lamboi Khonangkhong today. Speaking further, the MPCC president asserted that the extension of president's rule for another 6 months goes against the interests of people in Manipur and affects the spirit of federalism enshrined in the constitution. While reminding that the president's rule came into force after the BJP-led state government failed its function and duties, MLA Meghachandra alleged BJP double-engine government of misusing the president's rule as a political tool. He further maintained that both centre and state BJP leaders have failed to take any concrete steps to ensure return of peace and stability in Manipur, which has been marred by over 2-year-long violent crisis. Highlighting his disappointment on the BJP government, Meghachandra said the government have not made any decision to hold all political party meeting or peace committee meeting. He added that the Prime Minister Narendra Modi is yet to visit the state to assure the communities towards reconciliation and peace.
Prime Minister of India ngasi bokta Manipur da laaga masigi santi amasung community myamjing masi haminaraga solution ama porogna magi thamui gi ro hai amata phongdoktri amasung even in parliament, inside the parliament and outside the parliament ngasi bokta peace ki oiba apilamta magi thamui degi tasing thi chengna Manipur gi praja bu nungsi ba amasung santi hanjalangna na bagi adigu statement namta ubo phangdri hauji phawda akoi praja wa banatana tongan ba hiram khudi makta shokchil laba Manipur gi aikoi gi senmitlon amasung lamdam masigi naha sing amasung ban blockade continuous blockade of the national highway masi mayam sing se ngasi aikoi free movement leibang amtiba ngasi bokta leiriba mayam sing ase tasingna aikoi condemn tawi nungaite ngasi aikoi leiriba sarkar asidagi assam ta ude haibase masigi leiriba lokholaiba another extension to president rule amasung the initiative which have taken up by this double engine government masina mayam sing sina aikoi sumaina ha ha hamjani aikoi pen tabale